everybody, welcome to Always Alyssa. Right now I am in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. I'm so excited because right behind me is a mountain coaster and I'm about to go on it. In case you don't know what that is, it's basically like a bobsled, but it's like a roller coaster on the mountain and you get to control it. It's super fun. You guys ready to come have some fun with me? Let's go! The coaster we're going to be riding today is called the Rocky Top Mountain Coaster. Here I go! Okay, so I just got on. This is the very beginning. I'm going up a hill. I'm very excited. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. Like, it's already fun, even though right now I'm just going up a hill. It's a little bit slow, but it's gonna be awesome. I can't wait. And these little things, when you start going down the hill, you can like hold them to like go faster or slower, so it's pretty cool. Also, this is like 22 acres of property that they said this is on, so it's gonna be a huge mountain coaster. It's gonna be super fun. Ooh, I'm going down a little hill, but I think I'm still trying to make it all the way to the top. Here we go. It's already getting pretty high up here. Okay, here I go. I'm so excited. Ah! Woo! Oh my gosh, this is so much fun! Woohoo! Have to push the handles forward to go faster. It's going pretty fast. This is pretty fun. Woohoo! Oh my gosh, I'm going so fast! Ah! Woo! Ooh, a tunnel! Okay, it looks like I'm gonna be going up another hill and I can like see some of my family members up there going pretty fast. Oh my gosh. That's Chris over there. He's going like super fast. Oh my gosh, this is so fun! Woohoo! They're going so fast. I'm like so high up. It says 80 feet. That's crazy. Oh my gosh, look at this! Woo! I'm going super fast!
Push your handles forward and we'll see you at the bottom.
This is awesome! Oh my gosh, I think I'm close to the bottom. This is so much fun. Okay, I just got off the coaster. It was so much fun. It was super fast. There it is, right behind me. So it was like super awesome. I loved it so much. And if you guys have been on these, definitely tell me in the comments if you have or if you haven't. And if you haven't, I definitely recommend going to this one. It was super fun. Woohoo! Here comes my mom and Owen. Oh, did he enjoy it? Oh. How was it?
Good.
And yeah, definitely give me a like on the video and subscribe if you haven't so I can reach 1 million. I'm so excited for that. Anyways, I'll see you guys later in my next video. Bye!